How to make $50,000 per year on social media using AI. What's up, everybody? My name is James Jernigan, and that's exactly what I want to show you in this video. Now, before everybody starts going crazy in the comments, obviously that is not a promise. All I can do is show you how I've done it, and what you do is up to you. But if you're ready to take action and start using powerful AI tools to make money online, I want to show you how I've done it so you could do the same thing. So before we get started, I have some steps here so that you can understand exactly what's going on. But before we get started, comment yes right now on this video if you would click buttons for money, because that's exactly what I want to show you how to do. How to click buttons and turn those button clicks into money. So of course, to be doing that, we'll be using AI tools. So go ahead and comment yes if that's something you're interested in, if you would actually click buttons for money. So if you would, we'll go ahead and get started. So here are the steps. The first thing you're going to want to do is register for a sponsorship at softwaresponsors.com. Now, of course, this is free, but let me show you what we're doing here. So if you head to softwaresponsors.com, you enter your email in this box, you'll get access to this checklist I made of what are, in my opinion, some of the best tools that you can promote online to make money. Now, each one of these tools on this list here is going to give you a link that looks like this. Now, another word for this, as you'll see here, is your affiliate link. But I like to avoid using those big words in my videos because they tend to scare people. So all this is a sponsorship, right? Each one of the companies on this list will give you a link. Like I said, it looks like this, and all you have to do is copy this link and share it online. And the more people who buy whatever it is that you're promoting through the link, like I said, there's a bunch of different tools, there's courses, but the more people who buy this through your link, the more money you make. So here's what that looks like. Here you can see on this particular offer, I've had 2,000 or 26,000 clicks, and out of those 26,000 clicks, I've made 239 sales for a total of $17,000 in total sales, earning me $7,500 in commissions from this one offer. Now, as you can see here, there's a ton of different offers that you can promote on this list, and there's nothing stopping you from promoting all of them. So that's the first step. Step one is to register for a sponsorship so you actually have something that makes you money, right? Everyone wants to know, where does the money come from? Well, there you go. Take a look. Like I said, this one particular offer has made me $7,500. You can sign up for as many as you want by visiting softwaresponsors.com. So hopefully we're all on the same page. You go here, enter your email, get the checklist, sign up for one or many of these offers, which are going to give you a link that looks like this. So if you're still with me, you're going to copy that link. Now, everywhere you share this link is how you're going to earn money. So let's go ahead and jump into the steps. How are we actually going to use AI to do this? Well, the next step, once you've actually signed up for something that's going to make you money, the next step is to scrape proven high traffic, easy difficulty keywords. And to do that, we're going to use a tool called Keyword Thief. Head to keywordthief.com. You can get access to the tool, and I will show you how this works. So inside of the tool here, I'm simply going to come to the Keyword Research tab. I'm going to enter the topic that I want keywords about. So here you can see I've already done this. I've entered make money, earn money, and get money. So the reason you want to use a tool like this is because look at this. Look at the data it provides me. It not only tells me the keywords that people are searching when they're looking for information on this topic, but it shows me how many monthly searches each one of these keywords get, which is important, right? But more important than that, it's going to give me a difficulty score. So I can see these first few here have a difficulty of 80, 75, 74, but right here there's one with a difficulty of 12. And that keyword is get money now. So as you can see here, how to earn money fast, right? That's very similar to get money now. 9,900 people per month search both of these keywords, but the difference is one has a difficulty of 80 and the other has a difficulty of 12. So what level do you want to be competing at? Do you want to be competing at a high level with a keyword that's in the red, or do you want to go for an easy one? Right? So by using a tool like this, we can instantly see this data, and it gives us hundreds, thousands, 1,554 total keywords here. And so here's another one that's easy. This one has difficulty of 1. If we scroll down here, This one has a difficulty of 19. So all we really want to do is collect these different keywords. Here, if we come to the first page, you can see I need money now has a difficulty of only 12, and it gets 33,000 searches per month. So now what can we do with this information? Well, we can do a lot of things. We can create content with it, which is the most important thing. So that's the next step. Create content using AI tools. So just to make sure nobody's getting left behind here, let's go back and walk through the process. The first thing we did is sign up for a software sponsorship at softwaresponsors.com. And we did this because we want something that's going to make us online, right? If assuming you're a beginner, you have nothing to promote, you don't have your own business, which by the way, if you do, that's great. You can still follow these steps. The only difference is instead of promoting one of the tools from software sponsors, you'll just be promoting your own business or your own website, whatever it is. Super simple. Hopefully everyone's still with me. So then we used keywordthief.com and we found high traffic, easy difficulty keywords. We found what people are actually searching when they are looking for information about one of these products that we promote. Super simple. So if you're still with me, now is nothing's been difficult so far, but this is by far the easiest part. We're now actually going to create content using AI tools. So I'll give you a few examples of that. Now, of course, everyone's heard of ChatGPT, so we could just come in here to ChatGPT and have it create us a blog post or video script or whatever we want. So here's a few examples. Here is one of my blogs. I actually just created this blog post using AI, and I want to show you how I did it. So here's the post. I can actually just go here to preview it in a new tab so you can see the whole thing. So here's the website. Now AI has actually created this entire website for me. ProfitableBots.com. AI has created all of the articles on this site. So here you can see this one is targeting one of those keywords I showed you that we found using Keyword Thief, which is I need money now. So I've used ChatGPT to create this article. I even used AI to create this image. So I'm going to walk you through that entire process. Here we are inside of ChatGPT. So I actually use a prompt that I created using ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT, hey, help me create a prompt. So here it is. I will link this prompt down in the description below of this video so that you can grab it for free if you want it. But here it is. Write a highly SEO optimized blog post that is thrilling to read and leaves readers captivated to try blank. So obviously I'm going to put what we're promoting here in there, and so I give it a title, and then I tell it how to write an introduction, how to write the body, and the conclusion. So you can go ahead and screenshot that, or you can grab it from the link down below if you want to use this yourself, but I'm literally just going to copy this prompt. Then I'm going to come over here to ChatGPT and paste in the prompt. So now all I need to do is enter a few details. Write a highly SEO optimized blog post that is thrilling to read and leaves readers captivated to try. So if we come back here, I'm showing you how I did this. So this is I need money now. So we might tell ChatGPT, thrilling to try a new way to make money now. The method is called the AI Cash Plan. The AI Cash Plan is a course that teaches people how to make money online. It can be purchased at aicashplan.com, right? So we're literally going to tell it exactly what to write. And so we'll give it a title. The title is I Need Money Now. How I plan to get it using the course from aicashplan.com. Right, and that's not the best title, but I'm just trying to keep this moving for you. Normally I would be a little more creative, but we're going to let AI do the work. So I'll just click the send button, and look, it's writing me a blog post already. I need money now, how I plan to get it using the course from aicashplan.com. So here I told it to write the blog in the tone of a Gary Vaynerchuk motivational speech. Now it looks like it is actually writing this as Gary V. So I will say don't mention Gary V. Right? It looks like I need to refresh it. So let me just copy the prompt again. And I can actually just leave off this last part about Gary Vee. You can have this right in whatever tone of voice you want. So we'll just go ahead and paste that script back in here. And this time let's tell it right in the tone of Tony Robbins. So there you go. You can see it's starting to create this blog post. So this is exactly how I've created this entire website, profitablebots.com. And if we click here and go to the home page, you can see that there are tons of articles targeting keywords that I found using keywordthief.com. And again, I created all of these articles using AI. Now, this isn't just cheap spun content that's tough to read and doesn't make any sense like you might be used to if you tried this 5 or 10 years ago, right? Technology has advanced a lot, and now these are very explanatory, in-depth articles that I created in a matter of minutes. And you'll see that each one of these articles has a button here, and if we click this button, you'll see that it sends people to a link that makes me money. In this case, this is one of the old courses that I used to sell, but the method is the same, right? You want to send them to one of these links, your affiliate link that you signed up for at softwaresponsors.com. And the more of these that you sign up for, the more chances you have to make money. And this is how fast you could do it. Like, look at this. Our article is done. So literally all we'd have to do is copy this and then come over here to the blog, right? And all we do is click add new, create a new post, and paste that content in. And it's no different. So we can come back here to ChatGPT. Suppose you don't have a blog or you don't have time for blogging, you don't want to wait around for SEO. Look, you can do the same thing here on TikTok. Here I have a TikTok for this same page, softwaresponsors.com. You can see here is the link in the description. And I've created videos that take me anywhere from a minute to 5 minutes to create, no more than 5 minutes. And you can see some of these videos are getting 14,000 views on them. You know, here's one with 9,000 views, 700 views. The important thing is to stay consistent, and it doesn't always happen overnight, right? I have tons of these accounts. So here is another one, GMB SEO. You can see that again on this account, tens of thousands of views. One of the videos on this account has almost 1 million views. Let's see if I can find it here. There it is, 932,000 views on a video that took me a couple minutes to make. And you can see in this video, I'm not even showing my face. I'm literally just pointing at my computer screen. And in tons of these videos, that's all I'm doing, just pointing at my screen, not even showing my face. Now, the crazy thing is you can use AI to create these video scripts for you as well. So you can just tell it, right? I've just had it write me this blog, so it already knows what I'm talking about. So now I could say, write me a 15-second TikTok video script that promotes AIcashplan.com. So there we go. Are you ready to make money online? Check out AIcashplan.com and learn how to use artificial intelligence to generate income. So we might even tell it, make it more exciting and dramatic. So here's the new script. Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Want to live life on your own terms? Then listen up. The AI Cash Plan can show you how to harness the power of artificial intelligence and make money online. It's time to take control of your future. Check out AIcashplan.com and start living the life you deserve. So that was a lot more powerful, right? And AI just generated that in a matter of seconds. And all we had to do was tell it what we wanted. We said, hey, write me a blog about this. Okay, make this information into a video script. I know I don't like that script. Make it a little spicier, right? And it's done. So now all you have to do is hold up your phone, point it at your computer screen, and you could see, just like I did here in these videos, this one got 5,000 views, this one got 1,500 views, this one got 8,000 views, this one got almost 1 million views, literally just pointing at my screen, saying some words out loud, which again, you can generate with ChatGPT. So what I'm trying to do here is really take all of the difficulty out of this process, make it as easy as possible so that you can literally just click buttons and earn money. That's what I'm trying to show you here. This is what I've been doing for the past year that's made me over $50,000, and I'm hoping it can do the same for you. So the next step, once you've created this content, if you're still with me, you're following the process. We signed up for something that's going to make us money at softwaresponsors.com. Then we found what people are actually searching online when they're looking for information about this content. We did that using keywordthief.com. So once we have that information, right, we know what's going to make us money, we know what people are searching to find that. So then we used AI to create some content. So now here's where a lot of people get lost, right? People might see this, they might I'll just show you what I'm talking about. They might come here and watch one of my videos, be like, oh, this sounds cool, go to the website, and then they don't end up buying anything. So rather than lose that customer, right, because generally that's how it works, they see a video, they see your offer, and then they're gone forever. But if instead, if you can send all of this traffic to an email opt-in, now, if you've been paying close attention in this video, that's exactly what I've been doing here, right? I have this website, softwaresponsors.com, and I've been asking people to enter their email. So if you look at this social media account, it's the same thing. Now the reason I'm sending people to this email opt-in instead of directly to this affiliate link, so here's what that looks like, by the way. If people click that link, it is a sales page essentially trying to sell them something. So instead of sending them directly to the sales page, I send them to an email opt-in. That way, if they never see any of my content again, or God forbid, I get banned. So for example, this account, GMB SEO, I had banned a while ago. They were nice enough to give me the account back, but I don't remember my login details, which is why you'll see that the link is missing. I have to get back into that account and put the link. But if that happens to you, if your account gets deleted after you've accumulated, I don't know, 17,000 followers, like has happened to me, you don't have to worry about it because you have a list, an email list of hundreds or potentially thousands of people. So then what you're going to do, the last step, is to send endless automated emails to your subscribers. So now this person who's seen one of your videos, they clicked on one of your web pages and entered their email. That's all that happened, right? That can happen in a matter of, I don't know, 30 seconds or a minute, right? They watch your video, maybe it's a 15-second long video, a 30-second long video. Then they go to your website, they look at it for 30 seconds as they type their email in. In less than a minute, now this person is on your email list, and now they're going to get an email every single day until they either A, buy the product, which is what you want, or B, unsubscribe, which means they were probably never going to buy anything from you in the first place, and it hasn't hurt anything. So that is the process to create content using AI, and then use that AI generated content to send the traffic to an email opt-in so that you can then remarket to these people over and over and over again. So in case you missed it as I was going through this demonstration, if you want more information about this process, just go to AIcashPlan.com and you can get a more in-depth training on exactly what I'm showing you here, how to use social media and affiliate marketing and artificial intelligence to make money online, essentially just clicking buttons. So I hope this helps. I hope you learned something in this video. If you did, make sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. If you want to get notified every time I put out a new video, make sure you click the bell icon. And other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I will catch you on the next money making video.